Welcome student in third session from your textbook chapter number 6 tissues. Today we will continue this chapter. In last session we studied about the simple permanent tissues. So today we are going to discuss about the complex permanent tissues. Okay. So the complex tissues consist of more than one type of cells having a common origin. Okay. So all these cells coordinate to perform a common function. Means उनकी origin common है तो वो all the cells coordinate to perform a common function है तो वो common function perform करती है. So complex tissues transport water, mineral, salts, nutrients, okay, and food material to various parts of plant body. Complex tissues are of following two types, that xylem and phloem. So xylem and phloem are both conducting tissues. इसे क्या कहते हैं? Conducting tissues and also known as vascular tissues. Together both of them constituent as that vascular bundles. First we study about the xylem. So xylem means xylose, it means that wood. Okay, so xylem is a vascular and mechanical tissues. Okay, in other words, it is a conducting tissue. So xylem is composed of cells of 4 different types. Okay, first tracheids, second vessels, third xylem parenchyma, and fourth xylem sclerenchyma. Clear this one? Except xylem parenchyma, all other xylem elements are dead and bounded by a thick lignified wall. Okay, so of these 4 types of cell of xylem, most important cells are vessels. Okay, most important cells are vessels. Vessels are shorter and wider than tracheids. So vessels are very long tube-like structure. Vessels formed by a row of cells placed end to end. So the transfer walls between the vessels element are partially or completely dissolved to form continuous channel or water pipes. Okay, tracheids are elongated cells with tapering ends. Clear this one? So they are also conduct the water. वो भी क्या conduct करते हैं? Water conduct. Since the tracheids do not have open ends like the vessels, तो उसमें open ends नहीं रहते, just like a vessels. Clear? So that water is to pass from cell to cell via the pits. So किससे means water means pass होता है with the pits. Xylem parenchyma stores food and helps in lateral conduction of water. Means इसमें देखो ये vacuoles है तो इसमें vacuoles का रोल क्या रहता है? Store the foods. Clear this one? Now function of xylem. Okay, so the main function of xylem is to carry water and minerals. So what is the main function of xylem? Is to carry water and minerals, salts upward from root to different parts of the shoot. Means from root से carry करके to different parts of the shoots. Clear this one? And second, since walls of tracheids, vessels and sclerenchyma of xylem are lignified. वो क्या रहती है? Lignified रहती है. Okay, क्योंकि टफ रहती है और डेड रहती है सेल्स इसकी, और बाउंडेड बाय थिक लिग्निफाइड वॉल से बनी हुई रहती है. सो दे गिव मैकेनिकल स्ट्रेंथ. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट लिग्निफाइड they give mechanical strength to the plant body. Clear? Now next one is phloem. Xylose means wood, okay, and phloem means bark. Clear this one? So like xylem, phloem contains tube but performs no mechanical function. Means इसमें tube तो contain रहती है but there is no mechanical function. Phloem cell, it consists of different parts of that cell: sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fibers. Except for phloem fibers, phloem cells are living cells. Now sieve tubes. Sieve tubes are slender tube-like structure composed of elongated thin wall cells placed end to end. The end walls are perforated by numerous pores. ये जो आपको जो दिख रहे हैं इसमें क्या है? pores है. Okay, and are called sieve plates. So walls of sieve tubes are perforated. The nucleus of each cells, अभी देखो इस cells में इस सभी में nucleus found होता है. The nucleus of each sieve cell that degenerated at maturity. However, cytoplasm persists at the mature cells. Thus, nuclei are absent in mature sieve tube elements. Means जो mature हो जाती है sieve tubes उसमें nucleus absent रहता है. Clear this one? The cytoplasm of one sieve tube element is continuous with those of other sieve elements above and below due to cytoplasmic connection passing through the pores of the sieve plates. Clear this one? Now about the companion cells. Okay, look at this. This is what companion cells. जनरली एसोसिएटेड विद द स्यू ट्यूब्स, ये किससे एसोसिएटेड रहती है, स्यू ट्यूब से एसोसिएटेड रहती है. स्मॉल थिन वॉल्ड सेल कंटेनिंग डेंस and very active cytoplasm and large elongated nucleus. Now phloem parenchyma. Okay, phloem parenchyma cells. These cells, these are thin walled living cells of parenchyma of phloem. So they have two functions: storage and slow lateral conduction of food. क्योंकि इसमें आप ये देख रहे हो वैक्यूल जैसा, तो इसमें क्या होता है, स्टोरेज होता है. phloem fibers. Okay. So phloem fibers were bast fibers, that these are the thick walled elongated spindle shaped dead cells which possesses narrow lumen, so they provide mechanical strength to the tissue. Bast fibers obtained from some plants such as jute, hemp, flax has commercial or economic value. Clear this one? Now function of that phloem. Phloem transport or conducts photosynthetically prepared food material from the leaves to the storage organ and the latter from storage organ to the growing region of the plant body. जैसे आपने जाइलम में देखा तो वो क्या कंडक्ट करता है, वाटर एंड मिनरल्स फ्रॉम रूट टू शूट पार्ट. ओके, सो फ्लोएम क्या कंडक्ट करता है, प्रिपेयर्ड फूड मटेरियल फ्रॉम द लीव्स टू द स्टोरेज ऑर्गन and lateral from the storage organ to the growing region of the plant body. Clear this one? Now difference between xylem and phloem. Okay, so xylem क्या करता है, what is the role of xylem? So first in that xylem it conducts water and mineral. Okay, and phloem it conducts organic solute or food materials. Okay, and second in xylem conduction of mostly unidirectional, that is from root to apical parts of the plant. ओके, इसमें सिर्फ यूनिडायरेक्शन रहता है कंडक्शन. एंड इन फ्लोएम इनिट कंडक्शन मे बी बाय डायरेक्शनल, एंड दैट इज फ्रॉम लीव्स टू स्टोरेज ऑर्गन और ग्रोइंग पार्ट, और फ्रॉम स्टोरेज ऑर्गन टू ग्रोइंग पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट्स. क्लियर दिस वन? नाउ थर्ड इन जाइलम conducting channels or trachea elements are tracheids and vessels are there. And in phloem conducting channel are sieve tubes. इस तो phloem में conducting channel क्या है, sieve tubes है. Okay. And fourth point in xylem, components of xylem include tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers. And in phloem, component of phloem include sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. And fifth point in xylem, 3 of 4 elements of xylem are dead: tracheids, vessels and fiber. मीन जो 4 elements से xylem बना हुआ, तो उसमें से जो 3 है वो कैसे डेड है. ओके, ओनली xylem parenchyma is living. और इन phloem तो 3 of 4 elements are living. और उसमें इसमें 3 living elements है. कौन कौन से, sieve tubes, companion cells and phloem parenchyma. But only 1 cells are dead, that is what, only phloem fibers are dead. And 6th point in xylem, in addition to conduction, xylem provides mechanical strength to the plant. 6th point in phloem, phloem perform no mechanical function for the plant. So classification of plant tissue. Classification of plant tissue में आपने क्या क्या स्टडी किया? Tissues are 2 type: meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. In meristematic, again that subtypes are there: apical, lateral and intercalary. And in permanent tissue there are 2 types: simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. So in simple permanent tissue we studied parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Okay. And in complex permanent tissue that phloem and xylem vascular bundles are there. So in phloem we study sieve tubes and companion cells, and in xylem vessels and tracheids. Clear this one?